Aging is a natural process, but how fast you age largely depends on your daily habits. While we can't stop time, science shows we can slow down aging and even reverse some of its visible and internal effects naturally. Real anti-aging doesn't come from expensive creams or shortcuts. It comes from consistent lifestyle choices that support your cells, hormones, and metabolism. Here's how to reverse aging naturally from the inside out. 1. Nourish your body with anti-aging foods. What you eat directly affects how your cells age. Processed foods, excess sugar, and refined carbs increase inflammation and oxidative stress, two major causes of aging. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Eat plenty of vegetables, especially leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. These foods are rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and protect your DNA. Protein is equally important as we age. It helps preserve muscle mass, which naturally declines over time. Hydration also matters. Proper water intake keeps skin elastic, improves circulation, and supports detoxification. 2. Exercise, the most powerful anti-aging tool. Regular physical activity is one of the strongest ways to reverse aging. Exercise improves blood flow, boosts growth hormone, enhances insulin sensitivity, and keeps your mitochondria, cell powerhouses, young. Strength training is especially important after 30. It preserves muscle, strengthens bones, and improves posture, making you look and feel younger. Combine it with walking, stretching, and short bursts of high-intensity movement for maximum benefit. Even 30 minutes a day can significantly reduce biological aging. 3. Prioritize deep, quality sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. During deep sleep, growth hormone is released, damaged cells are repaired, and inflammation is reduced. Poor sleep accelerates aging faster than almost anything else. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Maintain a regular sleep schedule, limit screen time before bed, and create a calm sleeping environment. Good sleep improves memory, skin health, hormones, and immune function. 4. Reduce stress to slow aging. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which breaks down collagen, weakens immunity, and speeds up aging. It also shortens telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA linked to longevity. Practice stress-reducing habits such as deep breathing, prayer, meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature. Even a few minutes of calm daily can have powerful anti-aging effects. 5. Support hormonal balance. Naturally, hormonal imbalance is a hidden driver of aging. Healthy lifestyle habits, proper nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress control naturally support hormones like insulin, testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone. Avoid excessive sugar, maintain a healthy weight, and get enough healthy fats. Sunlight exposure helps vitamin D levels, which are crucial for hormonal and immune health. Reversing aging naturally isn't about chasing youth. It's about protecting vitality. Small daily habits done consistently can slow aging, improve energy, sharpen the mind, and restore confidence at any age. Age is inevitable. Rapid aging is not. Thanks for watching.